By the end of this video, we will be able to differentiate between atoms and molecules. Before going into details, kindly subscribe our channel so you don't miss these interesting factual videos. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space, and it can exist in three different states: solid, liquid, or gas. Solid. Solids have a definite shape, volume, high density, are incompressible, rigid, and have low diffusivity. Liquid. Liquids have a definite volume and indefinite shape, a high density, and are incompressible. Gas. Gases have widely spaced particles that move rapidly, have a low density, and are highly compressible. Now we will discuss atomic theory. Atomic theory is a scientific concept that explains the nature of matter and its behavior. Several theories try to explore the structure of atoms and their interactions with other atoms and molecules. Atomic theory has evolved over centuries with the contributions of many scientists. Atomism. Atomism is a theory that was first proposed by the ancient Greek philosopher Democritus in 5th century before Christ. According to atomism, all matter is made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms, which are in constant motion and are too small to be seen with the naked eye. Solid sphere model. In 1803, John Dalton's solid sphere model of the atom proposed this model as an attempt to describe the structure of the atom. According to this model, atoms are tiny, indestructible spheres with no internal structure. Plum pudding model. In 1904, J. Thomson proposed that the atom is composed of a positively charged sphere with negatively charged electrons distributed throughout it. The negatively charged electrons were embedded in a positively charged pudding of matter, which made up most of the atom's mass. Nuclear model. Ernest Rutherford in 1911 proposed that most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in a tiny, positively charged nucleus at the center, with negatively charged electrons orbiting around it. This model became the basis for our understanding of atomic structure today. Now, let us discuss the atom and its structure. An atom is the basic unit of matter and the smallest particle of an element that retains its properties. Atoms are made up of three types of subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Proton. Protons are positively charged particles located in the nucleus, center, of the atom. Neutron. Neutrons are neutrally charged particles also located in the nucleus. Electron. Electrons are negatively charged particles that orbit around the nucleus. Do you know how small the atom is? Let's find out. The nucleus of an atom is actually about 100,000 times smaller than the overall size of the atom. In perspective, if we imagine an atom were the size of a stadium, the nucleus would be smaller than a grain of sand. Molecule and its structure. Molecules are groups of two or more atoms that are held together by chemical bonds. They are the basic building blocks of many things around us, like water, air, and even our bodies. Molecules are formed when atoms join together to share their electrons. When this happens, they become more stable and can create different types of substances with different properties. For example, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom can join together to form a molecule of water, H2O, which is essential for life. These atoms can be of the same or different elements, and the bonds between them can vary in strength and type, such as covalent, ionic, or metallic bonds. Molecules can range from simple structures like diatomic oxygen, O2, to complex organic compounds like DNA. They are the building blocks of matter and are essential for understanding the behavior and properties of substances in chemistry. Thanks for watching. To learn more, just visit and subscribe our YouTube channel. Link in description.